Hello students, this is Prakasham sir from Math Beyond Marks, where you can score marks by learning concepts. So this channel is for teaching concepts first and encouraging you to do mathematics sums afterwards. Today I have come before you with a new update, that is NCERT has released a new textbook for class 9 by name Ganitha Manjari part 1 textbook. Let us see what they have given in the content, that whether you have known already or it is new to you, all those things we will discuss in this video clearly. So watch the video till the end, then only you can understand what I am going to say. Also at the end of the video I am going to say a plan how I am going to post the videos, or I am going to take a class like that and all I am going to say in this end of the video. So please watch this video till the end. Okay, shall we go into the video to discuss about the contents, what they gave and what and all new, what you are going to learn. My dear children, let us see how each chapter is designed in this textbook now. The chapter starts with the history. Each chapter name. Each chapter is given a name, and for that name some history is there behind that one, who and all worked, from where and all that textbook, that content is being taken from, like that some history is given. And afterwards about the chapter, suppose you are going to deal about squares and square roots, what does squares and square roots mean, like that some pages about the chapter is being given, that means explanation of the content. Next one is exercise set. Here and there, after every explanation, that is when one particular content is being explained, after explaining particular content they gave a exercise like before only, but before and all we will go only directly for the exercise by giving a little bit explanation. But here there is a lot of scope for explaining everything. Each and every line need to be explained, and from that exercise set then only you can answer the exercise set. You also, I recommend you also to read the whole book so that you can answer any question whatever they are asking. Then after exercise set, here and there while giving the theory part itself, while giving the content itself, they have given think and reflect, not as a part of exercise set. They gave like try yourself, previously you read, no, like that, think and reflect, 1, 2 or 3 questions are in each and every page, or after 2 pages or after 3 pages, like that think and reflect questions were being given or some content. Next, each chapter contains end of chapter exercises, very important, 10 to 15 questions, more than that one also at the end of each chapter, whole chapter exercise questions were being given, that also you have to practice and see how they are all. Next, finally, chapter summary like previous books, what and all we have seen in this one, what formulas and all being used, like that chapter summary is there. This is about introduction about the Ganitha Manjari textbook, how each chapter is being designed. Now let us go one by one. In part 1 there are 8 chapters. Now let us go into that and see what chapters are there in part 1. Okay, chapter 1 is about orienting yourself, the use of coordinates. What is it? Have you ever used Google Maps? Google Maps, how they are using? Only with the help of 2 coordinates, x coordinate and y coordinate. You could have seen 2 values will be there, 22 degrees point something will be there, and one more coordinate. Only with the help of x comma y coordinate your point is being located. Each house, each place is located in Google Maps. That and all we are going to read about, not Google Maps, about x and y coordinates. In this chapter we learn how to locate any point using just 2 numbers, that means 1, 2, 2, 3, like that. You will learn about x-axis, y-axis, origin and quadrants. This you could have known about this already in statistics in previous classes, but now we will go deeper into that one. And finally, the coordinate system itself means finding the distance between the 2 points. Yes, when you take the Google map itself, what you will do? You will measure, first you will see from here to there how much distance is there, like that from 2 points how to calculate the distance that they have given. So they are also calculating the distance using location, that means that coordinates they are using, no, that only they are using the distance, the same concept you are going to learn here. Now let us go to chapter 2. What is chapter 2? Introduction to linear polynomials. What they contain? Okay, linear expressions like ax plus b form, yes, 2x plus 3, it denotes a line. And basic algebra thinking, you know about x, b, a, those things and all already, you know, x plus y, 2x plus 3, 3x square plus 5x, like that we have seen the terms, expressions, that and all you are going to read in this one. Linear polynomial, that only linear polynomial. Linear patterns, now the new thing they have introduced some patterns for you, how linear polynomial has come from, that patterns and all. Linear growth and decay, here also one thing is there, exponential growth is there, linear growth is there. Linear growth means today 2 centimeter growth, tomorrow how much it will be, day after tomorrow how much it will be, like that linear growth we are going to see. Now temperature is increasing, today 1 degree increase means will it be tomorrow 1 degree increase? No, not like that, but how much, that and all we are going to draw in the form of a graph and show how much growth is there. Next, linear relationships. What is that? Relationship about parallel lines. Yes, two lines are parallel. When they are parallel, what is the condition? When they are coinciding, what is the condition? When the lines be intersecting, and when they are intersecting, what is the intersecting point? Like that we are going to see all those things in the chapter 2. Now chapter 3, the world of numbers. You know, beautiful world, without numbers nothing would have existed, that we have seen in class 8 video. I have uploaded class 8 videos. Now onwards I am going to upload class 9 videos. All numbers the same? No, not the numbers are same, because we have seen in class 8 okay, Egyptian number system, Mesopotamian number system, first tally marks, first before that sticks, like that. So many things we have seen, that only they have given a history written in bone. Yes, we have seen there also tally marks and all being written in bones, like that. Next, revolution of shunya. What is that shunya? Zero. Revolution of shunya, how it started. The previous videos of class 8 itself I said about invention of zero by Aryabhatta and giving the rules by Brahmagupta. That's what Brahmagupta's rules for zero. Next, they are introducing fractions and rational numbers. Yeah, sure, world of numbers means what is that? So they are designing this one, like previously they were having fraction chapter, now they gave it as numbers and fractions and rational numbers, also irrational numbers, all those things. In this, usually class 9 means root 2, root 3, root 4, like that. Usually locating irrational number in a number line, on a number line will be there, that we are going to see in this chapter. Okay, what about next one? Chapter 4, exploring identities, algebraic identities. What is identities? Here you wouldn't have known about that one. Now when you are coming to 9th standard, a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a plus b into a minus b, like that algebraic identities you are going to explore in this one. Expand using identities. A plus b whole square is there, using that one, 2x plus 3y, 2x plus 3, 4x minus 7, like that, how to expand that and all. Next, factorizing. Factorization means reverse process of algebraic expansion. If you are using algebraic identities and expand, that we can reverse it and say factorization. Find out the question like that. Factorize without using algebraic tiles also, without using algebraic tiles and with using algebraic tiles, both concepts were introduced now. Now next, chapter 5, I am up and down. Okay, how beautifully they have designed the chapter name, you see. Now chapter name 5, I am up and down and round, that is nothing but circles. They are giving the name like that. I am up and down, round and round, the name is circles. Look around, wheels, coins, those things, all those things belongs to circle. We are going to explore about the circles only. What is that? What you are going to explore? Symmetries of a circle. What is meant by symmetry? Let us see. Chords and angles. Chords and angles they subtend. Midpoints, chord and perpendiculars, angle subtended by an arc. Concyclicity of points on your circle, all these things you'll see. And an important thing, you may not be knowing about this till now, you are going to be introduced about the theorems. Theorems are introduced in this chapter and you are going to read the theorems. Let us see while doing chapter what the theorems mean and how you are going to deal about that on all those things. Let us see in the detail in the forthcoming videos. Next is chapter 6, measuring space, perimeter and area. So what is that? Space only, perimeter and area means nothing but space. Perimeter means it is round around that, and area means the whole area, space occupied. So in this, the two, you are going to see about perimeter of a circle, arc. Circle itself as some, you can divide an arc. That arc perimeter you are going to find out. Perimeter of the tracks, your ground while running, it will be in oval shape or it will maybe in rectangular shape, like that shapes and all. You are going to find out the perimeter of the tracks, area of the rectangle, area of the triangle. An important thing, area of the triangle means obvious, you have studied already or in this also, but here is different formula, that is Heron's formula. Then area of the circle and some special cases, how they derived the formula for that one. All those things we are going to see in this chapter 6. Now chapter 7, the mathematics of maybe. What is it? Maybe? Yes, it may be, may not be. That is nothing but probability. Learn chances using coins and dice. Throw the coin. Yes, you may, you may not. That's all. Dice. Yes or no. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What you are going to get, all those things you are going to see using this probability. Next, randomness. What is that randomness? One box. One box is there. Some pieces of articles are there. Choosing randomly one thing. What is your luck? That is the randomness. Experimental probability. So you are going to do an experiment by taking the cards one by one. 2 or 3 students sit together and do the experiment. Now itself we will do and see. Like that we are going to do and see. Theoretical probability. Theory wise what we have done in the experimental probability, that and all rules and all going to be created and done in theoretical probability. Next, sample space, events, tree diagrams, all those things. Many things yet to come. You are going to read all those things in class 9. Part 1 textbook. Then chapter 8. What comes next? Predicting what comes next. What is it? Predicting what comes next. Here this is a new thing. Sequence and progressions. This only in the introduction video I gave that this chapter is being introduced from class 10 and 11 also. Previously it was there in class 10 and 11 that they brought to class 9 itself, but about introduction only. So we are going to see about a sequence, explicit and recursive rules. Fibonacci sequence. What is meant by Fibonacci? You would have heard about Fibonacci sequence more. What is that one? Arithmetic progression, geometric progression. This arithmetic progression from 10th, geometric progression from 11th is being taken and given to you. But don't worry, they are all very simple. Slighter introductory part only is being given. Till now I have examined, I have said about all the chapters in part 1 of class 9 textbook. You please comment in the comment section what about this one, whether you feel the syllabus is tough or you feel the syllabus is easy. Remember, it is part 1, part 2 yet going to come. Okay, see you in the first video of class 9. Remember, my dear children, I am going to give the videos for all the chapters in this lesson. So what you have to do? You have to subscribe, you have to like, and you have to click the bell icon so that whenever I post this playlist, you have to get the notification. Then you can watch these videos and get benefited. Shall we meet in the video section? Until then, it's bye from your Pragasam sir.